The setup process is consistent across all pump models. However, some models are designed to handle multiple fluids and are equipped with a valve manifold. If your unit is a single fluid system, it will not include a valve manifold, so you can disregard any steps that reference opening or closing colored valves. Before beginning the setup, please scan the QR code on your device. This video shows the setup of the T6. Select language. Choose Start Setup. Connect the pump to Wi-Fi. Tap the plus button to begin scanning. The pump is now scanning for networks. Select the network with the strongest signal. Enter the network code. The pump is now connected to the network. Tap Next to link the pump to your user account. Tap the button next to Account. Enter the email for your user account, the one you received when the account was created. Now tap the button next to Password. Now enter the PIN code from the email you received. Tap the Login button. The pump is now connecting to your account. Tap Next. Select the unit of measurement. Creating products on the pump. Enter your product number. Select product type. Choose a variant of the selected product type. Optional, add a product description. Please note, do not add the oil viscosity into the product description as it will show up twice on the screen. For an example, if you write 5W30, it will show up just like this. Instead, you can use a descriptive word such as long life. Select the size of the container you are pumping from. Verify all the information on the summary screen and tap Save if all the data is correct. Tap Next to enter the current quantity in the container. Enter the actual quantity in the drum or container. Place the container in the cart and connect the suction hose. If using 30-liter refill containers, fill the container now. Select the gray number 1 button to assign this product to slot number 1. When facing the cart, number 1, gray, top right. Number 2, purple, top center. Number 3, blue, top left. Number 4, green, bottom right. Number 5, red, bottom center. Number 6, yellow, bottom left. Choose whether to add more products. The first step is to prime the pump with the selected product. Always start with suction channel 1, 2, and so on. Follow the instructions on the screen. Make sure the suction hose is connected to the product. Open valve 1. Make sure all other valves are closed. Fill system, step 2 of 4. Place outlet in a waste container. Open valve on outlet. Fill system, step 3 of 4. Press fill and the pump will now run up to 1 minute. Fill system, step 4 of 4. Close valve on outlet. Press next. Speed control, step 1 of 3. Place outlet in a container that is being pumped from. Open the outlet valve. Speed control, step 2 of 3. Press next and the pump will run for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. Important, close outlet valve immediately after pumping.